Hello everybody, welcome back to VBA Lesson 6. In this video, I will talk about how to use the for loop to create a multiplication table. You can make it as big as you want, or you can keep it small. So, for multiplication tables, usually it'd be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then you have 2, 4, 6. Okay, I'm not gonna make it any bigger. So just so you get the idea what multiplication table I'm talking about. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and so on. So we want to expand this to maybe like a 5 by 5 or a 10 by 10. It's really time consuming to just type everything in by hand. So what you can do here is to create a program, so we don't have to do any of this work. Right? So make sure you are in the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic, Insert Module. You should be very familiar with this by now. Right, so let's do a program. Sub. I want to call it fill series or multiplication table, whatever you want. Okay, and I will have the for loop for. Okay. So I can have the row counter. So my row counter will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here, these ones, and now column counter, these ones up here. And so what we can do is for row counter, I'm gonna call it R counter, okay. And that will be like, say, if we are doing a 5 by 5 table, then I can say 1, 2, 5. All right. And then I have another for loop. C counter, it's the column counter. I will also have it 1, 2, 5. Right. And this information I want to put in worksheet 1, sheet 1. Okay. So I want to type in this workbook dot sheets. My sheet is called sheet 1. Cells R counter, C counter equals R counter times C counter. And then I can do next and next. The reason why I have two nexts is because I have 2 fours. So you have to think about which one is for the 4. So this one will be for this one, and that one is for that one. Okay. This should work. So let's see if it works. Let's go back to the worksheet and click on macros. Okay, fill series, run. All right. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as we can see, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. So we can expand this to as large as we want, but we only have so much space here, and I don't recommend going really big. So let's try like 15. That should be okay. 15. So let's run this again. Now I have 15 columns, 15 rows. Okay. So let's do something different. All right. So what we can do is, like, say, if you want the user to know that he or she can click on a button and then have the multiplication table show up, so you can do is do a button. Okay, I'm gonna create a button here. I'm gonna link it to the fill series. Okay, I'm gonna call it like click here to show multiplication table. All right. So this will be, whatever table will be however big that you define here. So now it's 1 to 15, 1 to 15. So you have 15 by 15. All right, there we go. Feel free to change these numbers. All right, and once again, don't forget to save as a macro-enabled workbook so that you don't lose all the work that you did.